Hello, hello everyone. Today I'm going to share you how to make vegetable sandwiches. So this is good. You can use celery, green apple, and avocado. This is really the best. You can have this for breakfast. So I have a little piece this morning with bread and eggs. So but now I'm going to share to you how to prepare. So slice your avocado. When you slice your avocado, guys, and you did not use them all, leave this seeds on it, so that it's not going to turn brown. So slice your avocado, and you can, the minute that you slice your avocado, guys, you have to sprinkle with lemon. So and that way it's not turning brown. Okay, so I'm going to take the bad part. By the way, in your bread, I'm using brown bread because I want it to be healthy, so I use brown bread. You can spread your bread with mayonnaise if you want to, or honey mustard if you want, or a combination of both. But for me, I just want it plain. So layer your bread with tomatoes, and slice your avocado, and you can use also basil. If you want basil, you can use dry or fresh. Oh, let us add a little, you can add salt and pepper if you want to. See how nice is that? So the other one is apple. But for the apple, I'm using peanut butter. But I'm using now a unsalted, but you can use any peanut butter that you want. So slice your apple thin. This is really good for the children, you know. So it goes like that, and just spread your apple with peanut butter, and you can use also a banana. See how pretty is that? So for the children this is really good, but for you too this is very good. The other one that I can show it to you is, if you have a crackers, again I'm using a crackers, a brown crackers, because I want, I want it healthy and less sugar. If you are using brown rice, brown bread, that way you can save, it's less sugar. So again, just layer your tomato, slice your tomato thin, and make sure that it's a good tomato. You can tell when the tomato is good, they have a nice color. This is the color of a good tomato. Alright, so color is important. Just kidding. So it's just like that with the avocado and tomato. See, if you have avocado, guys, you can do a lot of things. See how nice is that, and healthy. See, you can serve this, you can have this for cocktail. If you have company, you can just make like this, and I'm sure it is very, very they are going to be very happy. Alright, the next one is, let me clean my, I'm sorry for that. By the way, guys, that's it for now. I have to pick up the phone.